Hi, my name's Tom. We bought this mesh security gate not for kids, but for animals. Here's the deal. We have a litter box in here. It's inside of a closet. And what we do is we wanted to keep that there. We wanted to keep the dog from getting to it because the dog likes to go into the litter box and sniff around. That's not good. So what we did was we put this security gate up. This is only the 24-inch high one. And we put the litter box behind it. And we actually mounted the security gate to the inside molding of the closet. And on the other side of the closet, we have the mesh side of the gate, and it just kind of sucks it right in, it rolls it right in, just kind of like a blind, but it's on its side, so I can let it go, it'll snap in, but I'm going to pull it out. I like the fact that I can just kind of pull this out. It's got a couple places to pull down here, and then it latches over here at these latches right behind here. It just clicks right in, and it's real nice and easy. When you want to go ahead and do the litter, you just unlatch it, you open it up, you clean the litter, you go ahead and you pull this back across, latch it back in, and you're done. We put this little bookshelf in here so that the cats can jump up to it and then jump down to the litter. They seem to like that just fine. Our cats are not real big jumpers, but a regular cat could probably jump right over 24 inches high and jump right in, and it would work great. So again, we kind of use this to kind of keep the litter and the dog separated, but yet it's high enough that we can walk over it if we have to, or we can just go ahead and open it up, and it works really, really well.